Good morning students. Welcome to English online class. Hope you all are keeping well. I am Sweta Sani, your English teacher from Real Paradise Academy. And today I am going to explain you the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening from the main course book of class 5th, unit 1, written by Robert Frost. So children, today we will discuss about a great poet of American in English literature who was known for his simple poetries, and he did not use complex words in his poetries so that everyone can understand their poetries, and almost of his poems were related to nature. I am talking about an American poet, Robert Frost, who was born in San Francisco, the United States of America. He was a poet, a teacher, and also a farmer. He won 4 Pulitzer Prizes for his poetry. Let me introduce you about the poem. Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. It is one of the most important and wonderful poems in English literature. I must say, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, is very close to this poem. That will discuss the last line of the poem. Right? This poem does not only depict about the beautification and glorification of danger winter. It also have a symbolic meaning, a hidden meaning. So the poem talk about that one should have a goals in one's life, and one should have not stopped by the detraction, by the attraction of life. One must go on and never stopped, only stopped by the death. So let's start the poem. Whose woods these are, I think I know. Whose woods these are, I think I know. Here he is questioning whose woods these are, and now he is answering, I think I know. Means he knows that whose woods these are belongs to. Okay. His house is in the village though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. Fill up with snow. Fill up with snow means wintering evening and the snow was falling down. Okay. My little horse must think is queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and foreign lake, the darkest evening of the year. Here, the darkest evening of the year. Here, the darkest evening of the year. That is the most important line because that is not his routine. From that is a stop in the middle of his journey, and that is why the horse get disturbed. That why the master is stopped here, because that is not the passing time. He is questioning and he is thinking that this is not our to stop without a farmhouse near. Now the poet says that the horse must be thinking that why we stopped here, because he cannot see any farmhouse near. So he is questioning, he is stopping that why we have stopped here. Between the woods and foreign lake, because of the very wintry night and the darkest evening of the year. The horse is questioning the master that why we have stopped here. This is not our routine time. This is not our routine time to stop here. But we stopped here? There must be some reason. Now next, he gives his harness bells and shack to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flag. So he gives his harness bell and a shack to ask if there is some mistake. Now the horse questioning his master why we stopped here. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flag. Because of there was interaction quality, the weather was so wintry and there was so peace around there. There was only the sounds of wind. Only the sounds of wind. Okay. The snow falling down. Now last stanza is, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. So, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. These two lines, these are repetition. So, repetition shows the emphasis that one must go on in one's life. One must should not stop by any distraction or any trepidation or any attraction in life. Slave. Slave symbolizes death. Like before death, one should not stop in one's life. One should always continue in completing the goal to fulfill the dream. Okay, the poem consists for quatrain and the narrative is simple. So students, now today's topic, stopping by woods on a snowy evening, is covered. If you have any doubts to related this topic, you can ask me till 8:40 am. And today's homework is given below. Just note it down in your English literature copy with neat and clean handwriting. So, stay home, stay safe and keep learning guys. Thank you.